Brant told me why you feel you have to go back. I'd be remiss if I didn't at least mention a mission such as ours could certainly use an extra engineer.
You better slow down, Turbo. Safety first, Case, remember.
Safety first, Cooper.
I have to tell you, Dr. Mann, I'm honored to be a part of this. But once we set up base camp and secure those modules, my work's done here. I'm going home.
You have attachments, and even without a family, I can promise you that yearning to be with other people is powerful. That emotion is at the foundation of what makes us human, and that's not to be taken lightly.
How long have you had that cough?
A while.
Mom lets me play in here. I don't touch your stuff.
Just take this gently. You know why we couldn't just send machines on these missions, don't you, Cooper? The machine doesn't improvise well, because you can't program a fear of death. Our survival instinct is our single greatest source of inspiration. Take you, for example. A father with a survival instinct that extends to your kids. What does research tell us is the last thing you're going to see before you die? Your children. Their faces. At the moment of death, your mind's going to push a little bit harder to survive. For them.
Hey, I bet you're Coop. Why don't you have a seat here for me? It's bad. They cannot stay here. Okay?
TARS, what's taking so long?
Professor, I am having trouble completing the boot up.
I don't understand.
It's funny. When I left Earth, I thought I was prepared to die. The truth is, I never really considered the possibility that my planet wasn't the one.
Let's go.
Alright, hey buddy, why don't you give me a big deep breath?
What is this?
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, I can't let you leave with that ship. We're gonna need it to complete the mission. Once the others realize what this place isn't, we cannot survive here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ah! No! Ah!
They can't stay here anymore.
You have to leave. Right now. Let me make something abundantly clear. You have responsibility. Oh, Jesus!
Dad didn't raise you to be this dumb, Tom.
Dad didn't raise me, Grandpa did, and he's buried out back with Mom and Jesse.
You faked all the data.
Yes.
There's no surface.
No. I tried to do my duty, Cooper, but I knew the day that I arrived here, this place had nothing. And I resisted. that temptation for years. But I knew that if I just pressed that button, somebody would come and save me.
You fucking coward.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Listen, if you're not gonna go, let your family go. Just save your family.
And we go live underground? With you? Pray that Daddy comes to save us?
Dad's not coming back. He never was coming back. It's up to me.
You're gonna save everybody, 'cause Dad couldn't do it.
Dad didn't even try! Dad just abandoned us! He left us here to die.
Nobody's going with you.
You're gonna wait for your next kid to die.
Get out. And don't come back.
You can keep my stuff.
Stop it!
No.
No! Dr. Mann, there's a 50-50 chance you're gonna kill yourself!
Those are the best thoughts I've had in years. Don't judge me, Cooper. You were never tested like I was. Few men have been.